we have for the first time, we will have for the first time something that is smarter than the smartest human. It's hard to say exactly what that moment is, but there will come a point where no job is needed.
Recent developments in AI and machine learning severely threaten the elimination of millions of jobs globally. Unfortunately, a capitalist system solely cares about profits, and human labor is far more expensive than robot labor. What does this then signify for workers? What jobs will AI replace and take over? Here, you'll get to know a few jobs that will be replaced by AI by chance. Let's get into it. Number 1. Proofreaders. Proofreading is such an amazing job where you need to check typesetting work for transcription problems by comparing it to the original manuscript or visual artwork. However, according to the sources, there is an 84% possibility of employment in this field, as the possibility of taking over proofreading jobs by robots is likely 100%. Software for proofreading is widely available. There are many technologies available to make it simple to self-check your work. From Grammarly and the Hemingway app to Microsoft Word's basic spelling and grammatical check. Robots make things easier. But there are instances where these AI technologies can't make things perfect all the time. On the other hand, a proofreading relationship with a client allows them to gain an understanding of the motivation behind a writer's work and the background information required to finish a project successfully. So, suppose this proofreading role gets replaced by robots or any other AI generative technology. In that case, this interaction, which is now performed between the proofreaders and the writers, will be lacking in such a situation. So, will this job really get replaced in real? What are your thoughts about this? Number 2. Public Relations Manager. In addition to managing strategic communication processes between multiple parties, public relation experts are in charge of establishing and sustaining connections with the general public. A corporation product, service, or individual reputation can be influenced through public relations. To secure press coverage and buzz for businesses that represent successful PR, managers rely on a network of connections and relationships, making this another entirely secure position. Jobs for PR managers are predicted to increase by 7.6% by 2032. These professionals are needed to spread awareness of a cause or a mission, as well as to collect money or enlist support for a campaign. The fact that public relation managers frequently travel, attend events, and are available to help if needed makes them more indispensable than computers can ever be. According to the sources, there are only a 20% chance of the job getting replaced by AI robots. So, will this amazing and highly paid job get replaced by AI robots? Number 3. Graphic designers. In this era, being a graphic designer is easy if you have amazing skills. Also, this is such a great job that is highly paid, and every company needs a graphic designer. At this point, we should fear whether graphic designing jobs will get replaced by artificial intelligence. Will it happen? People can easily generate whatever they want thanks to image generators like Midjourney and DALL-E. But graphic design is an aesthetic and technical field best suited for someone with training in and expertise in the fine arts. Graphic design work must be distinctive and adapted to a certain use case, just like writing. On the other side, building a relationship between two parties during the creative process is equally necessary when a graphic designer is working with a business. In conclusion, although AI can be a useful tool for graphic designers by automating specific jobs and increasing productivity, it's unlikely to completely replace the field. A profound awareness of context and society, as well as a combination of artistic inventiveness, human judgment, communication skills, and other abilities, are all necessary for graphic designers and are difficult for AI to replicate. AI is increasingly likely to supplement and enhance the work of graphic designers, improving the effectiveness and efficiency of their labor. Number 4. Telemarketing. Telemarketing is one of the many areas that AI may have an impact on. Even if it's not entirely correct to suggest that AI will replace all telemarketer professions, it's likely to change the nature of these jobs and eliminate the necessity for some duties currently carried out by human telemarketers. You probably currently get robocalls for different goods and services, and by 2031, there will be an 18.2% fall in career growth in telemarketing. This is largely due to the prerequisites for success. Unlike other occupations, these jobs frequently call for predictability, repetitive operations, and are amenable to automation. While AI can increase the efficiency of telemarketing, some tasks still call for human expertise, such as developing rapport, dealing with challenging objections, and offering nuanced customer support. The extent to which AI may replace human agents may also be constrained by ethical and regulatory considerations. particularly in delicate sectors like healthcare or finance. By automating some jobs and advancing the skills of human telemarketers, AI is poised to revolutionize the telemarketing sector. While it might not completely replace human labor, it might result in changes to job duties and responsibilities. The precise effect will depend on the industry in question, the legal landscape, and the degree to which businesses opt to incorporate AI into their telemarketing operations. What are your thoughts about this job? Will it get replaced by the robots? However, skilled human telemarketers possess a level of social precision and emotional understanding that machines will never match. Number 5. Receptionists. Certain portions of receptionist employment may be automated by artificial intelligence, but whether AI will totally replace these positions will depend on a number of factors, including technology improvements, economic issues, and societal preferences. AI can automate commonplace chores like taking calls, setting up appointments, and giving visitors essential information. For enterprises, this can lead to improved efficiency and lower expenses. It's necessary to compare the cost of hiring human receptionists with those of deploying and maintaining AI technologies. Businesses may discover that using AI for some activities while keeping human receptionists for others is more cost-effective in some circumstances. Pam foresaw this on The Office years ago, but just in case you're not a fan, she added automated phone and scheduling systems that could replace a lot of the conventional receptionist functions, especially at cutting-edge technology businesses that don't have office-wide phone systems or multinational corporations. While AI can automate some aspects of receptionist employment, these functions are more likely to be enhanced by AI than totally replaced. Depending on the particular requirements and preferences of the business, as well as the developing capabilities of AI technology, different levels of AI integration will be used in receptionist roles. However, compared to an algorithmic system, receptionists have a distinct edge in delivering personalized service because of the relationships they build within the workplace. Number 6. Advertising salespeople. When it comes to using people for advertising, it mainly comes to giving voiceovers. Using human voices to narrate or supply voices for a variety of media, such as movies, TV series, commercials, audiobooks, video games, and more, is known as voiceover work. AI has significantly improved text-to-speech and speech synthesis technology, although it is unlikely to totally replace human voice actors in the near future. Have you seen people voice covering for YouTube videos? This can probably be replaced by them because AI can generate voice and narrate. People just aren't required to manage those sales for marketers who want to acquire ad space as advertising changes away from print and TV and into web and social media landscapes. Through free application program interfaces and self-serve ad marketplaces, social media platforms make it simple for anyone to buy space, doing away with the need for a salesperson and allowing users to run their ads more quickly and easily. Artificial intelligence is becoming more and more prevalent, even in advertisements, a trend that we're observing while looking at actors or voice actors in business adopting AI voices for marketing, like commercials. While artificial intelligence may help with some voiceover duties, especially those that need plain and impartial narration, it's unlikely that AI will completely replace human voiceover artists for professions that call for originality, emotional depth, diversity, and cultural sensitivity. Instead of completely replacing human talent, it's more likely that AI and human voice actors will work together to improve the capabilities and productivity of voiceover production. So, should we expect a replacement by robots and AI technology in advertising? What are your thoughts about this? Share your thoughts in the comment section. And that's about it. These are a few jobs that might get replaced by generative AI technology and robots. But the saddest part is that the majority of the jobs that might get replaced are highly paid jobs. So there will be a slight disappointment in the replacement of such jobs, and also this will become such a huge loss. What are your concerns about this? Will it really impact an individual's life? If you find this video informative, please give it a thumbs up. And if you like more updated AI news, subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to click on the bell icon to not miss out on any of our videos and to get notifications on time. Don't hesitate to give suggestions for our videos. See you in the next one.